All right, so today we're going to talk about identity theft and credit repair because the two are different. Now, a lot of credit repair companies are using this method to get extremely fast deletions within days, and it is not the ethical way to do credit repair. In fact, identity theft is not even credit repair. So it seems like credit repair, but it's not. And if you're filing FTC reports on your behalf and you're not a victim, that's illegal. If the credit repair company that you're working for is filing an FTC report on your behalf to get negative items removed fast, that's illegal too. So just be careful when you're working with a credit repair company. Always ask to see the work because they're not going to show you, more than likely. And if they do show you, they're not going to show you the FTC report that they're sending in with it. Some of these people are even having their clients mail the FTC report. Now, I don't know about y'all, but if I was in need of credit repair and a company wanted me to mail out the identity theft report, I'd be highly upset. But some people, they just go along with it, they mail it off. You're committing fraud, essentially. You're claiming to be a victim of identity theft when you are not a true victim of identity theft. Now, I get it. Everybody wants this done as fast as possible. But trust me when I say eventually these people will go down for doing identity theft. In fact, they're already locking some credit repair company owners up for filing FTC reports on their client's behalf when they are not a victim of identity theft. I can't stress this enough. You gotta be careful when signing up with a credit repair company to make sure they are not using identity theft, because they can trick you by showing you the letters but not showing you the identity theft report. They can also trick you by saying, hey, we'll just have you mail the letters so you know exactly what's going to the bureaus. Then they just file a CFPB complaint and upload that FTC report to make you think that those letters are what actually got you good results. Credit repair takes time. It does. I'm telling you, credit repair takes time. There are no quick fixes. There are no hacks. There are no backdoor links to the credit bureaus. There's none of that. It's all bullshit. Excuse my language. So if you do want to sign up for a legit credit repair company, please leave it in the comments. I will also leave a link to sign up for our services. And if y'all have any questions, please let me know. Hope y'all have a great weekend.